Mari! Welcome to my vlog! Just kidding. This is Kalea, our model unit, 2-bedroom unit. So this one is 60 square meter, but as per mom, she's inquiring for 1-bedroom, but we only have 2-bedroom right now. So this is our model unit. Here is the dining area, and in the right side here is our kitchen. No, so our deliverable here is only the cabinets, but this one is already upgraded. No, we also have countertop. So of course with ceramic also, but all the furnitures here it's not included. It's just
Provisions.
Right. So this one is the living area. Right. So this one is one of my favorite part because the toilet and bath is very spacious. This is our lavatory. Alright, so let's check. Okay, go. So very spacious. So this one is our provision for washing machine for the laundry area. And we also have, this one is the master's bedroom. It has an access towards the balcony. It depends on mountain view or city sea view. But based on Ma'am Martes, you're looking for a swimming pool. For 1-bedroom, we only have 2 units left for the facing the swimming pool amenities area. So since sir, still pre-selling. The turnover here is 2029 December. So we give Ma'am Martes an option to because this project is really for me, it's for retirement. But if you want, I give Ma'am Martes an option that as of now, when you come back here around mid this year, you can rent and then wait until it will be turned over by 2029. So yeah, and let's check the second bedroom. So this one is our second bedroom, and there's no access for balcony, but there's a sliding window. Okay, so everything here is just a model unit. No, the deliverables is only finished, like